to my YouTube channel. This is going out to my my team. I did a video previously and I did it on screen record, and I need a better mic. This is being done on VDO, Veed.io, but I've only got 10 minutes because I'm not paying for the software at the moment, because I've got video kind of softwares all over the place and I just need to pick the right one. So real quickly, some people are coming up to me saying, you know, how do I refer? What's the best way? There's many ways, but the way I'm referring at the moment is because of one of the top leaders, Diamond Leader, been in the game a long time, and he believes in cold selling. He says it's worked from day dot. Why does it still work today? Been working for 50 years or whatever, because it works. It's not cold calling like the old days or knocking on doors. And it's certainly not spamming, but it's going to a group. Ideally, in the perfect world, we want leaders in here that are going to go out and recruit and make us a lot of money. You know, I think we've got one or two potential leaders in our group already, which is great. Obviously, like I've said, you don't need to refer. Spillover works. It just takes time. So if you can refer one or two, fantastic. If not, do not worry. I'm referring, and I know one or two are definitely referring. But this is what I do, and I've had interest. It takes a while. You'll get a lot of no's, but you just need that one. As I go to, so let's just go to my Facebook, share tab instead. Hopefully that's sharing. I hope that's sharing. Yeah, there we go. That's sharing. I'll go to a network marketing group. So I'm just targeting at the moment network marketing Nigeria. Don't ask me why. It came up, and I'm going to go through their list. And all you do is you go to the top. You go to people. Obviously, you know why I'm targeting network marketing, because all these guys in here are into network marketing. They understand it, and obviously they can be very good at it. And then I just go down to I go down to members with things in common. I press see all, and I have all these lists here. Now, originally I was kind of going to add them as friends. Now I just go to them, click on the thing, message, and this is the message I send. You can obviously tweak it. I hope this message finds you well. Could I possibly show you a short video explaining my opportunity that I think you might be interested in? Question mark. Always throw that question. If not, no worries. Sorry to bother you. Have an awesome day. If they come back to me, which 2 or 3 have, not many, the ratio's not good, but like I say, you just get that one. If they come back to you, you obviously send your tour link to them with, watch this ASAP, any questions, get back to me. That's it. Go on to the next one. So we go back to the group, we'll go right the way down where I hope we haven't message. I've got a little copy and paste here on my notepad. Copy, put it in there, paste, send. And what I do, just because I like to keep things organized, I just select that, copy, go to a little spreadsheet, down here, right click, paste, I've sent them the message. So if you go back here, this guy here, I've pre-enrolled. This guy here, not interested. These guys haven't sent any messages back. This guy here, not interested. It's actually a result just to get a reply, I'll be honest with you. But it doesn't take any time. You can do, and you don't want to do too many because Facebook might flag it up, especially if you're new to Facebook. But I do about 20 to 40 every morning. Come in with my coffee, copy paste, 20 to 40 messages, shut, leave. If I get no replies, I don't really care. If I get a not interested, I don't really care. If I get a pre-enrollee, brilliant. If I get a pre-enrollee that joins, fantastic. But when you get that one, boom, it could be literally, you can't even put a value on it. Hope that makes sense. And then if I just go back to my LIVEGOOD, hope that's sharing. It is sharing. And obviously, you know where to get the links. The links are down here. That's your Tor link. That's your Tor link. And then just in case what I said yesterday didn't come through because of my microphone, as soon as you get into select payment option, select out of the two options, one or two, very self-explanatory, fill in your details, then you'll get paid as soon as you get spillover or refer anybody. As simple as that. I'm going to make this short because it needs to be under 10 minutes to put on this video software. Hope that makes sense, guys, and thanks a lot for the newcomers that have just come in to join. Fantastic. This is a great opportunity, so easy to sell. This is just one option that I've showed you, one system that I've showed you. There's many other options. Obviously, I would go to the warm market first. People that are getting into that are joining the group, obviously I've kept it open, I've kept it public. Just the guys that are sponsoring those people, or at least brought them in, please just make a note of that, because a good problem will be to have, obviously, too many people coming in, great, but then I'm going to have to make it private so I know who's coming in, if that makes sense. But I think we're still early doors. But I signed someone up today, and as I said to you, I had a nightmare Friday. I had two people sign up, and just both had two problems that just wasn't good. But I've got one getting sorted today, and maybe two, but maybe not. But either way, we've got another two come in. So two the other day, that's four. So we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. I'm just going to keep referring. I'm looking for that one big leader. That one big leader, guys. I mean, obviously, we need more, but just if you don't want to refer it, that's fine. And if you don't want to buy the products, that's fine. I would highly suggest that you do, because they're bloody brilliant. I've got an organic coffee with mushrooms. Tastes amazing, and it's brilliant for you. It's making me lose weight. Anyway, speaking too much. Have a great day, guys. Any questions, put them in the Telegram or put them in the comment underneath. Please like and subscribe. I know I keep nagging you guys, but just share. It's all to help each other. It's all a win-win. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.